Welcome back, children. So, children, again, today we will continue with our chapter 14, that is houses around us. Now, let's read this. Changing lives in villages. In India, not all villages have drainage systems or sewage systems. So, in India, even we see that all the villages and all the towns do not have drainage system or sewage system. It is common for village homes to not have bathrooms. So it is again common for villages home that they do not have bathrooms. However, over time and with help of many different government policies like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, sanitizations in the villages has improved. So now over time, now what happened? Now we see that with the help of government policies like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, sanitizations have improved in the villages also. Educations and awareness campaigns have also helped to bring about this change. So educations and some awareness campaign program also help to bring about these changes. Life in villages has also changed. Many houses in village now have electricity and taps in their kitchens and bathroom with running water supply. Even life in villages also changed nowadays. Many houses they have electricity, they have taps in their kitchens, bathroom with running supply water. Bricks and cement are common material used for building houses. So in villages, this brick and cement are common for building their houses. Bedrooms are also built inside the house just like houses in cities. Nowadays in villages also bedrooms are also built inside the houses just like the houses in the cities. Now let's try to solve questions and we will move on to another topic. So now children, here you see building materials and tools. What are the materials? What are the tools we use in building houses? The construction of a building or house requires different kinds of tools and materials. So in order to build a house, we need different kinds of tools and materials. Bricks, cement, concrete mixture made from cement, sand and gravel. Iron and steel, roads, tiles and stone are some of the raw material used. So these are the some of the materials that are used in building houses. Bricks are made of clay. They are molded and then heated in a furnace to be made ready for use. So this brick, it is made up of clay. They are molded and then they are heated in a furnace to be made ready for use. Bricks are long lasting, durable and even resist fire. So these bricks, it is very long lasting, durable and even it can resist fire. People who build houses. Many people work hard to build a house, so only 1 or 2% they cannot build the house. There need lots of people to build a house. Now let's see. An architect design a building. So this is the architect. They design the building. A builder manage a construction site. This is the builder. So he will manage a construction site. A mason lays the brick using cement and concrete to build the walls and the pillars of the house. So this is the mason. He will use cement and concrete to build the walls and the pillars of the house. The mason also makes sure that the walls are straight and the bricks are laid correctly. So the mason he will make sure that the walls are straight and the brick are also kept it laid correctly. A carpenter works with wood to make doors, windows, cabinets and cupboard in a house. So the carpenter he works on wood to make doors, windows, cabinets and cupboard in a house. Now let's read. An electrician lays the wiring and fixes the plugs and switches in the house so that we can safely use electric appliances like fans and lights. So electrician, he will fix the plugs and switches in the house so that we can safely use the electric appliances like fans and lights. A plumber fixes the pipes, taps, and the sanitary or bathroom fittings. So, plumber, what do he do? He will fix the pipe, taps, and sanitary or bathrooms. So, he is the plumber, electrician. A stone mason lays the marble or stone floor and tiles in the bathroom and the kitchen. So this is the stone man. He will fix the stone or marble on the floor. A welder makes the grills we put on our windows, and the glazier polishes and fixes the glass on the doors and the windows. So a welder will make the grills. A welder will make the grills, and a glazier polishes the glasses on the doors and windows. So he is the glazier. Now we will see here tools. To be able to construct a building, all the construction workers need special tools. So in order to construct a building, workers need special tools. A tool is a simple machine that we can hold in our hand. So a tool, it is a simple machine that we can hold in our hand. Tools help us to do particular kind of work. It help us to do different kinds of work. Tools can be hand tools like screwdriver used by carpenter, brushes used by painter, or wrenches and clamps used by plumber. So this screwdriver used by a carpenter. Brushes are used by painter, or wrenches and clamps are used by a plumber. Power tools need electricity. So here you see power tools, it needs electricity. These are electric saws used by woodcutter, cutters and drill used by carpenters and electricians. So you see here power tools, it need electricity, and these are electric saw. Okay, electric saw used by the wood cutters, and drills is used by the carpenters and the electrician. So now we will end up this video. So before ending up this video, we will try some more questions.